Hello friends, I welcome you all on my channel and this is Urmisha. Today in this video, we are going to see some string functions that allows you to do some kind of a data manipulation on the string fields. So here I am using a bookshop dataset, and majority of the fields that we have within this bookshop dataset is the string fields. So let's see what kind of a data manipulation that you can run on such kind of a string fields. So here is the auth ID, which is defining the author ID. And if you see, this author ID contains first two letters as characters, some alphabets. And if you see, the last three are actually the digits. Now let's see, I want to split this characters and the digits in two separate fields. In this scenario, you will see that we have a kind of a default split function, custom split functions. But if you closely see, you won't find any kind of a separator here. So the thing is, when you do custom split or any kind of a split function, you need to mention a kind of a separator here. But as you see, there is no separator. So in such scenario, are some other functions which you can use and do some data manipulation. So today we are going to focus on a left and the right function. So let's see how to use it and what kind of a results you can have it with the left and the right. So if you see this auth ID, the first two are the letters and the last three are the digits. So let's first figure out what are the first two letters and how to get or fetch those first two letters. For this, go to the analysis, click on create calculated field, and here I'll call the function called the left function. So this left function, the arguments what they need is, first you need to pass the string. So string would be here our field, that is our auth ID, comma, and the num characters. Num characters means they are asking you what are the number of characters or what are the number of that letters or whatever you want to fetch. So here we want our first two letters here. So in that, pass 2. So that will get you the first two letters. So the extreme left, whatever the first two letters you have, whether it's a digits or whether it is anything in the numbers or maybe a character, alphabet, anything, it will pull that first two letters. And I'll rename now this field and call it as a left. Apply and OK. So here your left field is ready. Drag this field and put it just next to the auth ID, and you'll see the left is pulling the first two characters or the letters. So that's how with the left function, it helping you to fetch the extreme left portion, whichever or the number of characters that you mentioned. So again, depends on your string fields and what is your logic or what you are looking for, you can easily do so. Now our next point is we want the last three digits here. Now as we see, this auth ID is split, so now we want the last three ID. So you can define this as an extreme right of that field. So extreme right will we can use here as in that case as a right function. So go to again analysis, click on create calculated field, and here I'll call the function called the right function. Now again, in the arguments in the string, we'll pass the auth ID, the field that based on that what we are looking for, and the number of characters. So here we'll pass 3 because we want the extreme 3 or the right 3 of this field. So whatever the right 3, here we have the numbers, so we'll get the numbers. And then I'll rename this field and call it as right. Click on apply, OK, and again your right field is ready. Drag this field, put next to the left, and here you have your right characters available. So that's how you, with this left and right function, you can get your extreme left and extreme right of these characters from the same field or from different, depends on you what kind of a logic you want to state. But yes, this is what the data manipulation level that you can use on the string fields using that string functions left and right. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, happy learning.